Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your balance on Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you're on the main trading interface, direct your attention to the bottom portion of your screen. You should see a section called the Toolbox, which displays various tabs and important account information. Now, if for some reason you don't see the toolbox at the bottom of your screen, don't worry. This panel can sometimes be minimized or hidden. Simply press Ctrl+T on your keyboard, and this shortcut will instantly reveal the toolbox. This is a handy keyboard shortcut to remember, as it quickly toggles the toolbox visibility on and off whenever you need it. Once your toolbox is visible at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice several tabs within it. Look for and click on the tab labeled Trade. This tab is specifically designed to show you all your active trading information, including your current positions, pending orders, and most importantly, your account balance. After clicking on the Trade tab, you'll see a section with a gray background that contains important account details. Within this gray area, look for the text that says balance. Right next to this label, you'll see a number, and this is your current account balance. This figure represents the total amount of funds you have in your Metatrader 5 account, excluding any open positions or unrealized profits or losses. It's the baseline amount you're working with before any active trades are factored in. And that's all there is to it. You've now located your balance on Metatrader 5, and you can easily check it anytime by following these same steps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.